Celessa, thumbs up, view Cantic, Clankapan Samud the best, smiling face with hearts, will repeat family. Superb host friendly host. Check-in was easy. The house is clean, stylish and great value compared to the price that I paid. The apartment is decorated with a cozy garden feel, with the primary theme color being red. Enter through the doors, you will instantly sense the place giving a warm and welcoming feeling. This apartment is designed especially for you. Fiber optic broadband, MAXIS Wi-Fi, is installed in this apartment, so you won't need to worry about an unstable internet connection, whether it's for work purpose or simply connecting with friend and family. We thrive to improve, and provide the best facilities to make you feel at home. Below is the summarization of what you will find at the apartment. Bedroom: 1x hotel quality queen-size beds. 2, blackout window blinds for an undisturbed sleep-living area. 1, cozy comfortable sofa bed. 2, large flat-screen smart TV with digital channels. 3, coffee table open plan kitchen. 1, fridge. 2, electric kettle. 3, kitchen utensils. 4, microwave bathroom. 1, high pressurized shower, including a monsoon shower head. 2, quality bath towel sets. 3, toiletries, body wash, hair shampoo, toothbrush. 4, washing machine miscellaneous. 1, air conditioning. 2, hair dryer. 3, ironing BoardCar Park. 1, 1x dedicated parking lot.